Speaking of Jeju Island, or Jeju-do, a place I had frequented many times, I would, on a subsequent and ever so sad poignant spring 2024 visit to Korea around the time of the 10th anniversary, find the amazing Sewol Ferry Memorial Building on that island. What amazing detail and art and feeling there is in that building. Why did it take me so long to see this, find this memorial? There is others I haven't seen in Korea, sure. I visited Korea several times, but I felt bad that I hadn't seen this one on Jeju. It's actually near the 4-3 Peace Park in Jeju. Part of the reason could be that back in the UK, my big-hearted friends and I were already holding our own monthly Sewol memorials. I had all the memorials my heart could deal with already. Yes, way back in 2014, and therefore soon after that Korea ferry incident and tragedy happened, good friends, loving friends of mine in Britain and UK set up a monthly demonstration in London to both show support to family and friends of the victims and also to raise awareness to people passing through London of that incident, and also, very much also, to push for those important questions which are still unanswered